So he put a trap. That trap is we call sound, and then strut with the harpoons. So the big fish can be caught by the harpoons.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh wow. Wild.
But at the same time, he has to release the string of the net around.
Right.
So when the other fish try to escape from the net, it's captured in the net around. Chô mà phiêu phiêu à chứ. When he is fishing, both of his hand is not free, so they control with the armpit and with the legs. So they became very adopted and became leg rowers. Namimila. Chô phiêu phiêu này.
Is he gonna pull the fish up now? Oh, he just released the net.
Yeah, he released the net. And maybe he get or not.
Did he get anything?
Oh no, no fish. Tôi nán lò đó lên. They fish many different ways. Some people, they keep the net in water and beat water, chase the fish to run into the net. So when you see the bamboo stick in water, that is the place of the net, they mark.
What kind of fish is here?
Here, mountain carp, snakehead fish, and then they have water herring, slavia. But slavia is not our native fish. They keep it later, they put it in later. But mountain carp is the best. If you want to try the lake fish, you can try the stuffed lake fish. They use the mountain carp, stuff with the ingredients, and steam it.
What do they stuff it with?
They stuff with the ingredients like onion, garlic, and some.
And they steam it like in banana leaves or something?
No, just wrap with a bamboo stick and then fried. And they steam it again. Wear an umbrella, put on an umbrella. No bill.
I've been trying.
You get sunstroke. This trap is we call sound.